I've got 4 mid-cost updates that you can do to freshen up your tired-looking condo and get it ready for sale. Let's start in the kitchen. Now, depending on its size, you can get your cabinet doors and drawer fronts painted for somewhere around $3,000. A fresh coat of paint on dated-looking cabinets can really modernize a kitchen and provide a huge return. Swapping out your countertops for a modern-looking quartz, especially one that coordinates with the kitchen cabinets that you're about to paint, can really update a kitchen's look and provide a great return, especially if you currently have laminate or a stone that you can tell is from 2005. Now, buying a bathroom vanity isn't expensive in and of itself, but you have to pull the old one out to get the new one in. There's caulking that you have to do around the edges. There's plumbing work to be done. So unless you're handy, you're gonna have to hire the job out, which makes it more expensive. But updating your bathroom vanity can really freshen up your space, especially when you combine it with a new bathroom light fixture, something I suggested in the previous video. Lastly, a few coats of paint on the walls, doors, and trim, maybe the ceiling, can go a really long way and provide some of the highest returns when it comes to renos. Hiring a painter is going to cost you a minimum of, I would say, $2,000, and it can be done for a lot less if you do it yourself. But if you're anything like me, you are hiring it out. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching and hope to see you again. Take care.